It was a very good episode, the last one that we did. Everyone, oh my god, I didn't even noticed Daniel. Just like,
I
oh!
wonder how kind of reminds me of Dad's cheesy posters.
Good thing Daniel can't see this letter. Ah. What letter?
Nice work, Daniel. All that Minecraft paid off.
Kai, come on, man.
Come on, Kai.
I'm not gonna talk to Daniel, that'd be freaking weird.
Yeah, who talks to their siblings?
Yep. No more indoor training sessions. We never found the key to this door.
Oh.
I guess using the sliding door is cool.
This is
interesting.
Hello, motel room soap.
You know, this game is really going real fast.
No way I can give any of these to Daniel. Too risky.
Oh, ooh.
Pro tip,
Don't drink
always
water.
boil the water. Unless you want Daniel spraying nasty things on both
Boil it
ends.
until there's nothing left.
You've already made him sick once.
Once you get used to squatting, it's not so bad.
Squatting over the toilet.
Nope. Ah. No plumbing.
This is rank. Sharing with Daniel was the worst. No more peeing at night for Daniel.
No more peeing.
Got so
at night for
scared.
Daniel.
You're lucky he
What?
didn't blow up the house.
What?
Were you implying that he broke the window with his... I mean, I don't have one, so I don't know. Like, what
We
what
really
is the
lucked out
force
stumbling
per,
into this house.
per square inch? I don't know.
It feels
Yeah,
weird
well,
to leave
that's your
other
own
people's
problem.
clothes, but
He's just looking for his little brother.
we need the warmth.
It's just they're looking out for each other.
At least we have fresh water in our front yard. Hey, I put some clean water in the bathroom so you can wash a little.
What'd I fill it with? My water bottle?
Everyone go pee outside.
You hear a tree fall. It's just like, oh my god. It really is. Alright. Alright, so this is the only room I haven't been in.
This room is fucking cold, so
I don't want to go in.
we put everything we didn't need in it and
Close the
keep
door.
it closed.
Alright.
Who's a big boy?
Did I look at the cigarette
Who's a
pack?
big boy? Oh,
Wish I had more than tobacco, to be honest.
Alright, well now that we've established that we're still,
Like, threw a spider ball at me.
Aw, so he's fine. He just wants you to throw a spider boy.
It's good. It's good, boy.
Here we go.
Hold on, Mushroom. We're gonna build a fire.
I'm done peeing outside. Man, this game's really going a mile a minute, huh?
Yeah, we lit a fire. It took us 30 minutes. So only because of me looking at everything, but
Yeah, well, I mean,
you kind of
even
have
so,
to.
like, you still have to do it. Like,
Dang, I am starving.
Guess it's time to start cooking. Mushroom clung to Daniel on the first nights. But now she loves her bed by the fire. Guess it's time to start cooking.
Guess
we're gonna
it's
have to
time
eat
to.
mushrooms.
High
Guess
school
it's
feels
time
so
to-
far away now.
Too bad I
I
can't
really
make a
hope one of
pizza
the
flat.
decisions is like, we're really hungry. I guess we'll have to eat mushrooms.
Tonight it's mushrooms. Daniel's like, nah!
Bless.
I hope you like the mushroom soup.
I could start
Daniel
Daniel's
needs a doggo
delivery
friend.
service.
Alright, time to cook the dad
That
picture.
is a pop tart.
Oh!
He looks so serious on this picture.
Still can't believe he's gone.
Show.
I miss him so much, it
TV
hurts,
show I'm
Sean.
watching right now.
I know, Daniel.
What'd you say?
It's okay to think about it.
Yeah, come on, try harder.
These were all I found when I hit the town last week.
Imagine
I
this
know,
is a TV
David.
show. But like,
It's
with
okay
the
to
same
think about
awkward, like,
Tough choice. I do it too.
Okay.
Damn it, I
Thanks,
didn't. Oh, there was multiple conversations. So which tin can?
well, the one that's not expired.
How can I tell if they're expired?
What? It was published before you were even born, Sean.
Better talk to Daniel after dinner.
Hey.
Beef
what are you
ravioli! Oh, they're all beef ravioli.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ravioli.
Here's your menu choices. Ravioli or ravioli?
Okay, okay.
So tired of eating
He
the
just
same
opens
shit.
it and just pours it into his mouth.
I
Yeah.
just want one slice of pizza.
How'd you
Man,
do it,
I'm
Mushroom?
sick. That made my stomach turn.
You're
What, the
best puppy in the
cold
world.
ravioli sliding
Just-
down your
Yeah,
throat?
just pouring cold ravioli
I'm
into
just
your
glad we
mouth.
found
That's
you.
just. Ugh.
How am I supposed to cook this?
Put it on the fire, you idiot.
I can only look at the can.
So tired of eating the same shit.
Well, then give up.
Well, I guess I
These
will.
were all I
The
found when I
camera,
hit the
obviously
town
not
last week.
working.
Mushroom.
Jesus Christ. What do I do?
Take the broom and eat it. You tell Daniel to make it.
Oh my god, he's gonna starve to death before I figure this shit out. It's got a top on it, so I just gotta bring the can over and pop it on top. Well, what the fuck?
Put it in the empty scotch bottle.
So tired of eating the same shit. I just want one slice of pizza.
What do I need, a bowl? Plate?
Just want a warm slice of pizza.
There was a plate he was playing with before, but I can't even pick it up. What? I'm
Talk to
stuck.
Daniel.
Stuck!
Ask him for advice.
Stuck.
Daniel.
Daniel, how do I cook a can of food when we have a working fire and a stovetop?
Dude, you'll be moving cars around in no time if you keep improving like that.
My ego.
You really
In a
think
couple
so?
years.
Well, that'd be a bad idea, but you sure are getting good at this.
I wonder if there's anyone else like me.
No.
Daniel needs a dog.
You're
No.
a freak.
Oh
I
no.
think we'd know it by now.
You're a fucking freak, Daniel.
Daniel's a freak!
You're
Okay,
a
well,
freak.
I guess I got the can out, so I've cooked.
Yeah, good. Go.
Enjoy.
Have fun, Daniel.
Inspect. So I can
Take
look at
his
his
shit while
lantern.
it's not there. Yes, water
That's
gun.
the point of this, cooking.
No way I'm touching that.
Oh, is that the kid with the glasses? Wait, no, what? Who the fuck would that be? I don't know.
I could do a super cool manga about Daniel.
I should have made his hands smaller.
Man, I miss listening to music so fucking much.
This hot dog man issue is kinda weird.
Well, this is.
Daniel loves his brand new tablet.
Come on, Sean.
Looking at all of your shit. Alright, well, now I've done that.
Yeah, bitch. Take it.
I was making food and then I yeah.
Can you pick up that piece of paper and put it on his head, Daniel? I feel like I hope you don't do this.
Oh my god. No, I can't pick up the letter either. I can't actually physically
Daniel's been
take
sick for
anything.
more than a week,
His hands are glued together.
and it keeps getting worse.
Can I? Nope. Okay, pressing E doesn't work. Why can't I do anything with the food? Postcard. Room. Okay, this is not
Go into the
helping.
room that you put all the stuff you don't need in there.
But we don't need it. It's stuff I don't need. Unnecessary.
Look in your backpack and see what the next
Pan!
objective is.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Daniel
god.
needs to eat
You can
something
just
after all
put it in
that
the can.
psychic crap.
This is a labyrinth of
It's
emotions.
warming up.
I mean, I'm
so good.
Oh, prepare.
I wish we had a big fireplace.
Okay.
Like in
Don't
Seattle.
be Daniel, I found the pan.
Of course I remember.
Consume food.
You always got sick on s'mores and ruined the toilet.
Yeah. I missed that time.
Do they feed some to the dog
I
too?
know.
No, don't feed the dog.
Dog just subsides on water. We're making beef ravioli for all three of us. I don't know.
Daniel's just getting creepy.
Go outside to draw! Jesus.
It's gonna burn if you leave it.
No, it's fine. I'm gonna draw outside.
You only have 4 cans.
Yeah, well, if I burn one, I got 3 others.
God.
Look,
Just
man.
do this.
It's gonna take forever on that wood stove. We know how quickly you can cook things on a wood stove.
Oh my god, this drawing this is easy.
Cool.
Yeah, right?
I think I'm ready to draw this.
Cool, I think I've memorized this exact landscape perfectly.
Oh yeah, this is what I was looking forward to. Wait, why is nothing else happening?
Well, that's it, you finished. Is that
Oh my god, wait. Draw
I
faster.
need to train my visual memory.
You should just give up. Oh my god.
Time to take the pen, dude.
Take it. Take the pen. Take the pen. Pen is mine.
Pretty good. But I can add more details if I want.
The ravioli's burning!
Okay. Got it.
Just finish the picture.
Just time to take the pen, dude. I don't know what that means. There's a fire.
The whole house is on fire!
Daniel, please.
Help!
I don't know which one's Daniel. I just keep calling them both Daniel.
I don't remember what the bigger brother's name is. I know what the young brother's name is.
Oh no! Oh no!
I didn't memorize what I'm drawing.
Ah!
I need to take.
Alright, we're good. We're good. Alright, so now we gotta hold to observe.
Yeah, we gotta speedrun this thing.
Yeah, we gotta speedrun it. I mean, I gotta actually. Speedrunning a Life is Strange.
I've looked enough. Time to draw now.
Life is Strange. Speedrun it, we look through the wall and get to the end of the game.
Oh my god. Max just, like, removes the house. Game ends.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, I didn't try the dog butt! Oh, there we go. That's what I thought.
Cool. I think I'm ready to draw this.
You know, whatever it is. Come on, whip that dog out.
The ravioli!
Please! Daniel! Don't worry, Daniel.
Come on, girl. Let's get back in.
I like to imagine they've actually taken like colors out there or on this picture.
Daniel, my beans!
Please.
Don't worry, Daniel.
I want the ravioli.
Let's serve a meal.
Okay. Dinner's ready.
Give me the ravioli, brother.
But Borther.
Sean. His name is Sean.
Her name is definitely Sean, and it's a name of a person that we have in our
Getting
lives.
sick of ravioli.
Spaghetti and truffles. What is the name?
Let's find out.
That was spaghetti alla Diaz. Didn't you taste the famous truffle sauce?
Yep. Plus, I love the garlic bread. And ice cream.
Are they on a date?
Yeah.
Yum. That was
Ooh.
great. Am I kidding
You want
myself?
some too? Huh, mushroom?
Daniel, eat your fucking food. I swear to God, you're so sick. Damn it.
Just put it on the ground like a normal fucking person. You penis.
Bon appetit, mushroom.
Boning tip.
She loves this stuff.
I'm sorry.
He's pretty sick. What's he sick he's down with the sickness.
He is.
We don't know, but they've been living in a cabin in the woods with only a wood stove for heat. And
Sorry.
it's snowing and shit.
I'm cool.
He's got bad.
Hold on.
His brother's gonna have to go steal
I need to
medicine,
show you
probably.
something.
Yeah.
Run back into the woods.
Okay.
Gotta
are
show
we
you the
showing?
map. I think I left it with my books. This thing is strong as a rock.
They just come back in the room and he's throwing things around the room. He's like, my father's dead! Why didn't you tell me? This is like, I did. We had this adventure a while ago.
Oh, right, I forgot they do this. They collect things. How do I show him this, though?
Put it in front of his face.
Roads.
Just put it on the table.
Uh...
He'll probably be like, put down the map at the table.
Oh, yeah, true. But why did I get up and walk over here? Okay, well, I obviously need something from this room, so I'm gonna just walk in here. Sean's stuff. Search.
Nothing here.
Oh.
Daniel?
Daniel,
What did you do with the map?
where'd you put it? Did you
What do
put
you
it in my
mean?
dumper again?
You know what I mean. Where's the map that was with my stuff?
Oh, this map. It's in my tent. Sorry, Sean.
I would never be able to find it there, you asshole.
No, it's just looking in there.
Flame from his candle in that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look.
Shroom. I can't get mad at you. Stop. Okay, come on, doggy.
Stop.
Stop.
Let's
just
go.
I
wants
can't
to
get
go.
mad at you. Fucking leave. Insist.
After all I've done for you, really?
Was it this much to
Shroom.
just move a dog?
Okay, Mushroom. Thank you. I get it. You're the boss.
Mushroom, come on.
Here it
You don't
is.
even understand what I'm
For
saying.
fuck's sake.
It's like you're some kind of...
Time to play dead.
Uh-oh.
Animal.
What are we gonna talk to Danny boy about?
My name's Sean.
Sean,
Hey,
there's someone at the
how's it
door.
going, Danny?
What the fuck?
When did he show up?
I don't know. I just saw him now.
That's
Sean,
creepy.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, Nano. It's... Mother... Daniel?
That was very... Oh no.
Yeah,
Speaking
Okay.
of people who are ill, yes, that is mine.
good job.
You almost shit your pants.
Of course I did, man.
I was like, where's his legs?
Okay.
Medicine, or should I get you some?
I think it's time for us to hit the road. You're not getting better. We're almost out of supplies.
No, I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Yeah, a bad cough that won't go away. Trust me, Daniel. You need some medicine.
I took as many as 4 as
Look.
so,
Here.
yeah.
Beaver Creek?
Then I get sick. But
What's that?
That's where Karen's parents, our grandparents live.
Okay. So what?
So we can go there and they'll probably help us.
Why do you always force us to run, Sean? What if they...
So we're not in Grave of
like-
the Firefliesing this.
Yeah. Like, what the... Why are
Don't
you getting
think that
mad
way.
at the decisions I'm making? You're the...
It's not like we have tons of options.
Like what, you have
Okay.
another option?
I'm just scared they're gonna think I'm a freak or something.
Homosexual.
Man,
No,
we kind
no.
of love you. Grandpa's super cool and
Super liberal.
I'm sure you guys will be best buds.
Well... Okay. But Mushroom has to agree too. She's part of the team. What do you say, girl?
No! That's a stupid idea. Fuck you.
Don't know where she learned that word.
Okay, when?
Tomorrow. The sooner the better.
Please. Feed
We
me
have a
something
long
besides
road
ravioli.
Why are you using your
We should do
discount
something fun for our
Walmart
last night.
Yuri
How
Lowell
about a
voice?
game of dice?
Like, use
If
it.
I win,
It's
I get
fun.
to draw on your backpack.
You know I'm gonna win and draw a dick on your back, right?
I don't think so, loser.
Let's see who gets to draw a
Party
dick
time.
on whose backpack.
Drawing
Okay,
penises.
ready to
That's what I'm
lose,
doing.
Captain?
What's your butt, matey?
Get fucked, bitch.
Oh my god, the dog's way worse than either of them. Than either of them.
That was S&P for something.
Are they actually going to randomize the dice? Who knows?
Here we go.
Yeah, this is just like
Just need a 6, a
zero,
5,
zeros last
and a 4.
eight, virtues for one,
Okay.
third,
got a ship.
9.
It's
Oh,
better than
oh, wait, this is a real game! No, this is a
Yeah.
bad time to find out this is a real game.
Well, I guess we'll have to play it next time.
Next time
Game
on...
Bros.
Oh, Beans.
You can just censor that. Make me say,
Why you make me edit everyone?
oh, I'm sorry. We'll find then. I'll say it, and then